Hey guys, got this 4 cups of natto for okame. This is like a ladies, when you do it, it's kind of a face cover it. See what they said. 30 grams, it comes with a 4. Each one there's 65 calorie, so not bad. So let's start. So in this package, it's just nice to pull, but be careful when you pull it up all the way. Yeah, the sticky ones, they maybe touch to your finger, so make sure pull the inside sauce, that mustard out of it. Okay, so what's the stickiness? Okay, so what I will do, pour this mustard onto it. Let's stir. Stir hard. Okay. Now I pour this natto sauce. Okay. Okay, today I have I already sliced up the cheddar cheese. Is a cheddar cheese. So what I will do is pour this cheddar cheese onto the natto. Hope this will add the extra taste. Okay. Here is my final product. Natto with cheddar cheese inside. Sounds interesting? Yummy!